Want to turn your written text into highly engaging videos in just a few clicks? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Wave.video to create AI videos from text in 2026. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easy way to make professional videos without spending hours editing, you are in the right place. Wave.video is an all-in-one online platform that combines a video editor, live streaming studio, thumbnail maker, and video hosting. But today, we are focusing on its powerful AI tool that lets you generate videos directly from text or even a blog post link. Getting started is simple. Once you sign up for a free account, you'll see the option to Generate Video with AI. From there, you can choose to input your text directly or paste a link from a blog post. Wave.video's AI analyzes your text, selects relevant visuals from its massive built-in stock library, and pieces together a draft for you. Once the AI generates your initial draft, you aren't stuck with it. The platform features a built-in drag-and-drop editor where you can easily customize everything. You can swap out stock clips, trim transitions, and resize your video for YouTube, Instagram Reels, or TikTok with a single click. To make your video stand out, Wave.video also offers automatic captions and a text-to-speech tool. This means you can generate a natural-sounding voiceover for your text automatically, or upload your own audio. You can also browse their library of royalty-free music and sound effects to set the perfect mood. Now, let's talk about user feedback. While we don't have a database of external user reviews to share with you today, the platform's main advantage is clearly convenience. It bundles a ton of tools like hosting, editing, and thumbnail making into one subscription. On the flip side, because AI video generation relies heavily on stock assets, you might need to spend a little extra time fine-tuning the visual matches to make sure they fit your exact brand voice. We highly recommend signing up for free to test the AI generator yourself and see if it fits your workflow. Overall, Wave.video is an incredibly versatile tool for creators who want to speed up their content creation process. If you want to try it out, head over to Wave.video and start creating. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool guides, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI video in your content strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.